We're going to Horror Nights. In line for the terror tram.
So scary.
It's scary to me actually. Like I'm actually really terrified. I don't like it at all. Yay. We're gonna go and take a picture with the Norman Bates.
My daddy.
The Norman Bates. We just saw Abe Lincoln, Uncle Sam. They had knives. I'm not sure why, but it's pretty cool. Love a good cosplayer. We have successfully flirted and also talked up all the Purge members.
They were really cute.
I complimented every single one.
Good cast.
It became a habit. Like I'd just identify a part of their body and I'd be like, your hair is really cool. I like your skirt. I was trying.
Okay, we're not really.
As you can see, though, I'm breathing really heavy because I'm actually freaking out inside. They did a very good job.
That was cool.
I felt welcomed, yet also like I was gonna die.
It's okay, I got really into it with the dude.
She did. The chainsaw construction worker, she was heavy flirting. Ooh, we're back again. Sitting down on our way back. Successfully survived the purge. Good job. My comfort place, Hogwarts. Save me.
It's pretty lit.
It's pretty wholesome and cozy after I feel like I'm gonna die. One is worse.
Yeah.
I'm like a solid 5.
That's good.
I'm feeling not at ease, very scared, even though I know nothing can happen here.
You haven't gone in your pants though.
No, I haven't.
Now if you go in your pants, I'll just, I'll let you. We'll go home.
We're gonna try and play a game where we say one word at a time to make a story. There was a
Bear
named
Badusi
Badusi
came
to
class
late
Sunday
because
Badusi
had
chlamydia.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you today? Good, that's good. We're in the 3 broomsticks, getting our food on. Apple pie, a nice frozen butterbeer, and our monsters we brought in. It's a good time. Scale of 1 to 10, how is it, Grace?
So good.
Has it improved your mood immensely?
Oh my god, yeah.
This butterbeer is hitting right in all the places I need it to. Go. Go. Tacos at midnight. Feel the depression.